Transferring your music library from iTunes to Apple Music. Welcome to our guide on transferring your music library from iTunes to Apple Music. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth transition, preserving your playlists, albums, and personal settings. Whether you're an avid music collector or just looking to upgrade your experience, we've got you covered. First, let's clarify what this process entails. Apple Music, which is integrated into the Music app on macOS and iOS devices, provides a seamless and enhanced way to manage your music collection. Moving from iTunes to Apple Music involves transferring your library, including playlists, ratings, and metadata. Before we begin, make sure your macOS or iOS device is updated to the latest version. This ensures compatibility and the smoothest experience possible. Update your macOS or iOS device to the latest version. Next, ensure you have a reliable internet connection. The transfer process may involve downloading and syncing data from the cloud, so a stable connection is crucial. Backing up your library. Step 1. Back up your iTunes library. While the process is generally safe, it's always wise to have a backup. Here's how you do it. 1. Open iTunes. 2. Go to File, Library, Export Library. Save the file in a secure location. This file will contain all your playlists and library information. Additionally, consider backing up your media files. These are usually located in the iTunes Media folder on your computer. Setting up Apple Music. Step 2. Setting up Apple Music. Open the Music app on your Mac or iOS device. If you're new to Apple Music, you'll need to sign up for a subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose a plan that suits you. Open Music app, sign in or subscribe. Once signed in, Apple Music will begin syncing your music library from iCloud if you've previously enabled iCloud Music Library on iTunes. Step 3. Enabling Sync Library. This feature ensures that your entire music collection is accessible across all your Apple devices. Here's how to enable it. 1. On your Mac, open the Music app. 2. Go to Music Preferences. 3. Check the box next to Sync Library. 4. On your iOS device, go to Settings, Music. 5. Toggle on Sync Library. Allow some time for the initial sync, especially if you have a large library. Once complete, your music will be available on all your devices. Transferring playlists and metadata. Step 4. Transferring playlists and metadata. If your playlists don't automatically appear, you can import the backup file we created earlier. In the Music app, go to File, Library, Import Playlist, and select the backup file. Step 5. Final adjustments. Review your library to ensure everything transferred correctly. Check your playlists, albums, and song metadata. If something is missing, you can manually add it or resync your library. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your music library from iTunes to Apple Music. Enjoy your upgraded music experience with all your favorite songs and playlists right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Happy listening and stay awesome.